Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on Tubi, the free streaming service. Whether you're looking to watch shows and movies in another language or just want to change the subtitles, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to tubitv.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking sign up and following the prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll need to go to your account settings. On the web, you can do this by clicking on your profile icon and selecting account settings. If you're using the Tubi app, tap on the menu icon, which usually looks like three horizontal lines, and then tap on settings. In the account settings menu, look for the option that says language. Now, here you can choose your selected language and how it appears. Let me show you. And if you want to change the language of subtitles while watching a show or movie, you can do that too. Start playing by any video. Now tap on this button and click on advanced settings and choose the language you want in the subtitles from the list. And that's it. You know now how to change the language settings on Tubi, whether you're looking to enjoy content in your native language or explore new ones. Tubi makes it easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and give us a comment and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.